What if I told you that there's a $14 AI military stock that could grow by 10,000%? And it won't just grow in value, the company will forever change the landscape of modern warfare as we know it. You might not believe me, but according to Jason Simpkins, you'd be wrong. In case you didn't know, Jason Simpkins is a well-known financial analyst and investment guru who specializes in uncovering high-potential, often unconventional stock opportunities, particularly in the defense and technology sectors. With years of experience in market research and a reputation for bold stock predictions, he regularly shares insights and strategies through his paid newsletters. This time, he's teasing a unique military stock that costs about $14 and can make investors a 10,000% return. Unfortunately, he won't just tell you the name of this stock because he wants you to buy his $2,000 per year newsletter. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In his stock teaser, he left a bunch of clues about the stock, and in this video, I'll tell you the name of this stock for free. I'll also share some pros and cons for the stock to help you make an informed decision. If you want more free videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Now before I reveal the stock, let's review some of Jason Simpkins' past recommendations. In May 2020, Simpkins made a bold move by recommending Leonardo, a defense stock that seemed like an intriguing opportunity. Over the next 4 years, the stock skyrocketed by an incredible 400%, proving his call to be a strong one for anyone who took his advice. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows with Jason Simpkins, because just a few months later, in September 2020, he put the spotlight on Visibility, a facial recognition company that initially seemed like a winning bet. The stock surged an astonishing 1,500%, capturing the imagination of investors, only to crash just as quickly, leaving his followers with heavy losses. A few years later, in March 2023, Simpkins turned his attention to Kopin, a company focused on virtual reality technology. He painted an exciting picture, suggesting the stock could offer 22,000% gains. While the stock did show some promise, offering a chance to double your money for investors who timed it right, it hasn't lived up to those sky-high expectations. Instead, it's hovered around break-even, with little to show for the bold prediction. These examples highlight the unpredictable nature of the stock market, where even the most enticing opportunities can be hit or miss. Now let's analyze Jason Simpkins' latest teaser. In his presentation, Simpkins shared an exciting story about how the military tested an AI-driven unmanned fighter jet against some of the best human pilots. The result? The AI jet won every single simulated battle. While this might sound like a storyline straight out of Top Gun, the truth is that most civilians have no clue just how advanced the U.S. military has gotten. Given what the average person can do in a matter of seconds with ChatGPT, imagine what the most heavily funded military in the world can do with years of research and development. Simpkins goes on to suggest that the U.S. Navy is considering buying 1,000 of these advanced systems, which are much cheaper than traditional fighter jets. He also hints that the company behind this technology might snag major contracts, even surpassing big players in the defense industry like Lockheed Martin. It's a bold prediction that has many investors buzzing about the potential for this new technology. The stock Simpkins is hinting at is Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS. Kratos is a national security company known for developing advanced systems, particularly unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs. One of their notable innovations is the Mako, a high-performance drone designed for both testing and operational missions. The Mako can be used for everything from training pilots to providing real-time surveillance, and its versatility makes it a key asset for military operations. Now let's look at some of the pros of investing in Kratos. Kratos has shown strong financial growth, with a notable 16.8% increase in revenue for the second quarter of 2024, reaching $300 million. The company's unmanned systems segment in particular experienced a massive 61.8% growth, driven by rising demand for their innovative products. With cutting-edge technology, Kratos is positioned at the forefront of autonomous defense systems, especially with its AI-powered drones and strategic partnerships, like the one with Shield AI. These advancements solidify Kratos as a leader in the rapidly growing field of defense technology. Additionally, Kratos has a robust $1.2 billion backlog and an impressive $11 billion opportunity pipeline, backed by strategic investments in infrastructure and manufacturing, which could fuel long-term growth. There are also some notable cons to keep in mind. While Kratos has strong potential, it faces challenges in the volatile defense sector, where shifts in government budgets and policies can significantly impact revenue. The company's heavy reliance on government contracts exposes it to risks, such as delays in space-related projects, which have already affected its financial performance. Furthermore, Kratos' success hinges on a few key programs, making it vulnerable to setbacks or increased competition in these areas. Operational challenges such as supply chain disruptions and staffing issues could also hinder the company's ability to meet demand. Additionally, Kratos' negative cash flow from operations raises concerns about its financial sustainability in the long term. Overall, Kratos shows strong growth potential with rising revenues and a promising tech pipeline, especially in AI-powered drones. However, its reliance on government contracts exposes it to defense budget shifts and program delays. Operational challenges like supply chain issues and negative cash flow also raise concerns about long-term stability. Balancing these opportunities and risks is crucial for investors. Now, if you found this video valuable and you want to diversify your investments beyond traditional stocks and bonds, I have just the thing for you. Even though I believe that investing in a low-cost index fund is the best long-term investment for the average Joe, the benefits of solid physical gold are hard to deny. I think of physical gold as insurance against unpredictable times, and I'm not the only one. In 2023, central banks added over 1,000 tons of gold to their reserves, the second highest annual purchase in American history. And in 2024, central bank got another 290 tons of gold in just the first 3 months of the year. If the biggest banks in the world are buying tons of gold, I'm sure there's a good reason for it. I found a company that allows ordinary Americans to own and securely store physical bars of gold as part of their IRA account. The best part is that they're giving away a free guide to teach you all about investing in solid physical gold. If you want to learn more about how gold can protect your retirement savings, just click the link in the description to receive a completely free gold IRA guide.